Oh, oh, hi there. Welcome to my YouTube channel, part of CK. Today we're going to learn about the Earth. The Earth is the planet that we all live on. Before it was called Tellus, as you know in my Ice Age video I released before. It mostly talks about Stone Age, but still. Anyways, that's how the Earth started. And before, remember what it was called. Yes, it was called Tellus. And yeah, I did say I learned it in my school. And the Earth's core is technically like the sun, and with a lot of molten magma, which is lava with crust. That equals magma, as you people know now. And now let's go to another planet, which was originally in our orbit and now it's not in our orbit, and probably some people know it. It starts with, I'll give you a hint, it starts with a P and ends with a O. After the P it's L, and then U, and then T, and then and it's Pluto. Yes, it's one of our dwarf planets now because it's not in our solar system. Orbit. In the orbit, Earth is a third away from the sun. The moon is what orb is, and our Earth is technically an orbit for one planet, or not a planet, to be honest. It's actually the moon. And there's another moon, which is Jupiter's moon. And only some people know that the sun is a star itself. It is made of hydrogen and helium. And it is not made of star, even though it's a star itself. And one of our dwarf planets, and there's also one of our dwarf planets. It technically has a cousin, its own moon, Ceres. Yes. And how Pluto became a dwarf planet is when it got smaller and smaller. Eventually, it got smaller than Ceres, its very own moon. And that's how it got out of the solar system. It was too small for the lines to keep it in probably in the solar system. And black holes create I'll tell you in the next. And as I was saying, and there's a black hole already in 10,000 light years away from ours in TON 618. Ton 618 if you pronounce it with the spelling. That's where a black hole is. It's so big, even bigger than the sun. And this is what happens when you go in a black hole. If Earth ever comes to a black hole, half Earth would be dead, half us would be alive, and half another would be dead. And that is how scientific reasons what happens to humans when they go to a black hole. And that is it for today's video. So if you like the video, click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel and click the bell button so you get notified every time I do a video. Put it on all as well throughout all the options, not the one at the bottom, add the one at the top. And see you in my next video. Bye.